everybody, hello. I've come today to show you my Christmas journal. Well, one of my Christmas journals. There will be more. I don't know, I just really like this one. So here, as you can see, is the outside. It's got two little jingle bells that are quite jingly. And it's held together with this gorgeous red sari silk. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, couldn't do that if I tried. And there we go. And there's lots of sari silk here. It goes around several times. But it does come off completely, so you don't have to worry about it. And then here we go. So this is the cover, and it's only a part cover. I haven't covered the whole journal. Just this piece here, and it's got lace down that spine. Lace down here too. And inside there is a little journal card. Now I've used, as you can see, craft card that I've stenciled onto with white gesso, and I did that in one of the lives recently, and I really liked the effect. I thought it was lovely, so I've used that as a sort of repeating motto. I don't know, motto's not the right word. Repeating thing throughout this journal, and that just sits in there, and it's got sari silk which I've sewn on. Now that was a tip that I picked up from Corey Damon at Creating with Scraps. If you don't want bulk in your journal, just fold your sari silk over, or ribbon or lace or whatever it is, mixture of all, and just sew it along, and it's really nice and flat, and it saves a lot of that bulk that we're always trying to get rid of in journals. So that's this Tim Holtz poinsettia, that's a Sizzix die, but I used paper that I'd inked up myself, and a lovely little poinsettia there. So that's the cover, and I really like it. Then inside I've got nothing on that one, because of course it's got the card in there. And then here we have, this is Tim Holtz paper, once again leaves that I've inked up myself, and this has got two journaling cards in, same sort of idea. They're really nice, aren't they? I just think they're so effective, and they fit down into there, and there's journaling on the back of them, of course. It's not the most, doesn't have the most journaling of any journal that I've ever made, but it's pretty, so it makes up for it. Lace down here, and then we're into the journal proper. Here we have a whole full-size pocket. I've just held it close with Velcro, and it's gusseted, so you can get lots of stuff in there. I haven't put anything in it because I think that it's good to have some empty spaces that you can just turn to quickly and put stuff in should you wish. I've just added a little bit of bling and a button there, and that's twinkling away very nicely. Here we've got an envelope, a little bit of leafage and poinsettia going on there, and two more of these, just blank backs. They fit into there. And over the page we've got this, which is an acetate window. I love this grungy red. I really love it. It's a set from Betty's Custom Designs on Etsy, and they're really lovely. And then to go into the pockets, I've used two of these Tim Holtz journal, what are they called? Pocket cards. That's right. And I've used that same trick again as sewing across the top. And that's the background, that's tartan, which you can see through the acetate too. I love it. I love the tartan. I love the stripes. I just love it. So they go into there, and then in the back of the tartan pocket we've got this big journaling card. It's gorgeous. Just a craft card, so you can write on the back of there, and that fits into there. Now here, this is an idea that I got from Angela Kerr. It's not my own idea. I was watching her, as I always do, and I just thought, what a fab idea. So it's a little envelope. There's nothing in it. It's got this fabric frill and some eyelash yarn, and the eyelash yarn is so sparkly in real life. And then there's a little bit of, I don't know what you call it, cluster, scrappy thing there with the button on. And that folds over like that. And on the back, we've got this little pocket here with a little tag in it. Then here we've got a page. I've got these journaling cards in there, which are by now becoming familiar to you, I would imagine. And this is decoupage. This is a napkin on top of the coffee stained paper, and more of that napkin. And this is a piece of tartan from an Etsy kit, and I can't remember who it's from, but it's gorgeous. So that's that page, and then I just put these big journaling cards into there, so there is some journaling. They fit nicely there. Then over the page, this is our centre spread. Isn't it fab? It's gorgeous. I love it. It's two really big envelopes like that. They open up, the top of which you will see is familiar. And in this one, we've got two big Tim Holtz pieces of, I think they're called layers. I think it's in a set called Layers, and it's wholesale prices of Christmas trees and some music, Joy to the World, and I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. So very appropriate, and they go in there, and it just tucks down into there, and you can add lots of other things in there if you want to. And in here we've got a similar arrangement, the Christmas tree once again, and this, which I absolutely love, Grand Christmas Exhibition now opening, of toys and dolls. Oh yes, I like that, and that fits into there. Just tucks in there, and that's it, safe. And then on this side, this is a kind of, I don't know, it's sort of a trifold, I guess. It's held together with Velcro. We've got this familiar craft with stenciling here, and it opens up, and we've got tartan inside, and here we've got this lovely arrangement with poinsettias and leaves. And then you open it up, and here is it is a real actual notebook, and it slides off like that, and you can see there's lots and lots of different scrappy bits of paper all put together like that. And I'm just going to take the last two, say, and I've got a belly band across here, and that just fits in behind there, so you can renew it when you've finished it if you want to. This doesn't want to fit behind there. Like that, just pull it down, and it just fits in there nicely, just like so. And then on this side we've got a little corner tuck with the dog on. Oh, that dog is so cute. And a little journaling card, and that fits into there. So that just folds over like that, that folds down, and the Velcro keeps it in place. Here we have it's kind of a side tuck really, I guess, and I've got a little paper clip there with some sari silk on, and that's just holding this big journaling card in place. How lovely is that card? It's just, I love it. It's gorgeous. Got a sari silk bow there at the top, a piece of Tim Holtz ephemera, a couple of the poinsettias, die cut poinsettias, and some inky leaves. And that just, I've got some lace down here. I've stenciled down there. And on the back of that, I've got a double pocket. So take these out and these out, and you'll see what's about. So I've just stenciled on the back of there some red striping, some tartan, a little piece of Tim Holtz ephemera, a bit of lace, and some sari silk. I've got this. This was made by Kerry Betts, the digital, and she sent it to me, and he is just super duper glorious, isn't he? He's fabulous. I love it. So he was definitely always going to go in here. Another one of the stenciled craft cards. Another one with words on this time. And then this, which is also a piece from Kerry. It's lovely. It did have wavy lines. I wasn't quite sure how to cut it out, but I've cut it on my decal edge trimmer, so it's got a really nice wavy sort of line, and that just fits in there. Then here we've got this arrangement, which which is strange.
Yeah.
So yeah,